Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 44. If in 2018 the price of bread increased from 40 naira to 50 naira, resulting to a decrease in quantity bought from 160 to 80 units, what is the price elasticity of demand? A -2, B 0.1, C 0.5, D 2, and E 3. So what we are looking for here is calculation of price elasticity of demand, and in order to calculate that, you obtain percentage change in quantity and then you divide it by the percentage change in price. So to get percentage change in quantity, you subtract initial quantity minus the final quantity. So the initial quantity, that is from 160, then the final to 80, so divided by the initial, which is 160, and that answer is of course in percent. Now divided by the change in price, percentage change in price. So the initial price 40 minus final price divided by the initial price, so that also will be in percent. Now if you estimate this, you will get 160 minus 80 is 80 over 160, and 80 over 160 is 0.5, so that is 50%. Now that divided by 40 minus 50 is minus 10, so minus 10 over 40 is minus 0.25, or equal to minus 25%. Minus 25%, that is this multiplied by 100, and likewise 0.5 multiplied by 100. So 50, like we said, percentage change in quantity, which is 50 here and 25 here. So 50 divided by minus 25 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is option A. So option A -2 is the correct answer to this question. And in statement form, you can say that demand is elastic because it is greater than 1, and the change in quantity is higher than the change in price. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.